Oh yeah, I suppose, eh? So they give you the skinny? What was going on?
Yeah, I guess she was cooking something and she didn't turn it off and she fell asleep, I guess.
It does smell kind of like food burnt.
Yeah, it smells like something burnt, eh, on the stove.
Yeah. A little bit of excitement for a Friday night. Well, nobody's hurt. That's the important thing.
Yeah.
More embarrassed than anything, I guess. We heard some noises, but it wasn't really all that noisy, was it? In fact, we heard sirens and stuff. I was kind of thinking it was the building next door.